Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus ST. In this video, we'll check if this car is still worth buying in 2026. The 2016 Ford Focus ST remains one of the best affordable hot hatchbacks available in 2026. It combines sharp handling, powerful turbocharged engine, and everyday practicality, making it enjoyable both as daily driver and weekend performance car. Maintenance costs are generally reasonable compared with many German's performance cars. If you find an unmodified example with full service history, the Focus ST is still an excellent performance bargain. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.